Together we will reach our goal. The trumpet sounds across the hills. Every note the spirit fills. Nyabinghi drums begin to play, leading every step today. From every village, every town, no dream can keep the people down. Hand in hand we'll always grow. Like mighty rivers we will flow. Raise your banner to the sky. Lift your dreams and let them fly. Every challenge shapes the flame. Every victory knows your name. Echoes rolling through the night, filling hearts with truth and light. Stand together side by side, with hope forever as our guide. Deep, rolling on a low bassline with heavyweight sound, system energy. Classic dancehall rhythm fused with roots reggae groove. Nyabinghi and drums layers with call and smokers and shakers. Right analog trumpet, trombone and saxophone call and response phrases. Warm tape, echo and spacious dub delays, creating vintage atmosphere. Skanking rhythm bitter lock with bubbling album style organ. DJ style word and at lips complemented by rich gospel inspired backing harmony. Still standing strong, voices unified. Nothing can break the strength inside. Dancehall fire, reggae soul. Music keeps the people whole. Still standing strong beneath one sun. Every battle can be won. One family, one destiny, forever bound in harmony. The bass keeps rolling. The drums keep speaking. The horns keep rising. The people keep believing. One rhythm, one purpose, one love, forever strong. Forward, Kingston heartbeat, Caribbean sunshine, sound system blazing. Everybody gather. This is the sound of one people. From the first light of the morning glow, the streets come alive as the cool winds blow. Neighbors smiling, children sing. Every heartbeat finds its swing. The market hums with laughter bright. Music carries into the night. Every corner, every lane, joy keeps dancing through the rain. Raise your hands, don't stand alone. Every heart has found a home. Side by side we'll always stand, building hope across the land. Voices of the heart, let the music play, bringing hope to every day. Bassline rolling, steady and strong. One love is where we all belong. Voices of the heart, let the whole world hear. Every dream is drawing near. Dancehall spirit, reggae soul. Together we are strong and whole. Nyabinghi echoes through the breeze, dancing softly with the trees. Golden horns begin to shine, keeping every beat in time. The skanking guitar leads the way, lifting every soul today. From the mountains to the sea, unity's our melody. No one can stop the rising sound. Hope is growing all around. Every voice becomes a flame, lighting futures in every name. Stand together, proud and free, rooted in one family. With every step and every song, we'll keep moving forward strong. Deep, rolling on a love bassline, right Promises we'll always keep. Voices of the heart sing loud and clear. A brighter future now is here. One people beneath one sky. Together we'll forever rise. The bass keeps rolling. The drums keep calling. The horns keep shining. The people keep singing. One rhythm, one family, one future, one love forever. From every street, every village, every island, every struggle plants the seed of tomorrow. Hear the drums, feel the heartbeat. The journey continues. The morning sun paints the rooftops gold. Every scar becomes a story told. Hands that build through wind and rain now rise with hope beyond the pain. The children laugh beneath blue skies, dreams reflected in their eyes. Every heartbeat writes a page, turning courage into strength each day. When the road feels long, don't lose your way. Every night gives birth to a brighter day. Hold on tight, keep the faith alive. Together we'll forever rise. From the ashes we rise again. Stronger hearts through joy and pain. Bassline rolling like the endless sea. Hope becomes our victory. From the ashes we rise as one. Shining brighter than the morning sun. Every voice becomes a flame. Love forever leads the way. Trumpets call across the breeze, moving gently through the trees. The Nyabinghi rhythm speaks, giving courage to the weak. Every neighbor lends a hand, building dreams across the land. No matter where the journey goes, the roots of love will always grow. Lift your banner to the sky, never let your spirit die. Every mountain we will climb, one heartbeat, one perfect time. The echoes carry far and wide, with truth and hope as faithful guides. The fire burns in every soul, making broken spirits whole. Deep, rolling analog bass line with classic sound system waves. Nyabinghi and drums blended with rich Caribbean percussion. Warm trumpet, trombone and saxophone harmonies. Skanking rhythm guitar and bubble up and style organ. Vintage tape echo and spacious dub delays. Soul vocal harmonies with villa that ad libs are expressive, call and response. From the ashes we rise again, nothing standing in our way. Dancehall, heartbeat, reggae, soul. Music always makes us whole. From the ashes we rise today. Love will never fade away. One family beneath one sky. Together we will always rise. The drums keep beating, the bass keeps rolling. forever. We love this song from Kingston to the world. Feel the bassline, raise your voice. Tonight we celebrate life, strength, and one love. Step with confidence into the light. Dreams awaken with the morning bright. Every heartbeat finds its place, moving together with purpose and grace. The rhythm rolls like the ocean tide. Truth and love forever are a guide. Every neighborhood hears the call. United together, we stand tall. Raise your hands, let your spirit soar. Every challenge opens a door. Side by side, we'll never fall. One heartbeat connects us all. Rise with the rhythm, let your soul ignite. Dance through the darkness into the light. Bassline rolling like the Caribbean Sea. Open freedom, set the people free. Rise with the rhythm, voices loud and clear. Every new sunrise brings us near. One love growing day by day. Together we'll always find our way. Trumpet shine with a golden sound, spreading joy to every town. The Nyabinghi drums proclaim, every heart can spark a flame. From the mountains to the shore, peace keeps knocking at every door. The rhythm carries every dream, stronger than we've ever been. Lift your banner to the sky, keep believing, never hide. Hope is stronger than the fear, brighter days are drawing near. Echoes rolling through the night, music fills the world with light. Every voice becomes a flame, love forever leads the way. Deep analog bassline anchors the groove. Nyabinghi and drums blend with Chris Cutty Ranks, Wadasha, dropping. Trombone and saxophone and the vocal process. Skunking guitar and bubbling organ. Intend the classic reggae pulse. Warm tape, echo and vintage dub delay. Create spacious touchdowns. One actuality, giant lips. With between soulful backing or with the rhythm, lift your heart on high. Let your dreams reach every sky. Dancehall spirit, reggae soul. Music keeps the people whole. Rise the rhythm, let the whole world sing. Celebrate the hope tomorrow brings. One family beneath one sun. Our journey has only begun. The bass keeps rolling, the horns keep calling, the drums keep flicking, and the people keep believing. One rhythm, one heartbeat, one love forever. Forward from the hills of Jamaica to every corner of the world. Stand tall, stand firm, and let the fire of righteousness burn. Rise with the dawn, the battle begins. Strength lives deeper than the color of skin. Every heartbeat carries a dream, stronger together than we've ever been. The drums keep calling across the land, building tomorrow hand in hand. No shadow can silence this melody. Faith is the root of our victory.
Lift your eyes beyond the storm. Every trial makes us strong. With every step we boldly take, a brighter future we will make.
We are the warriors of the sunrise, standing together, reaching the skies. Bassline rolling, hearts on fire. Trumpet sings with golden sound, echoes of freedom all around. Roots grow deeper through the years, watered by courage instead of fear. From every island to distant shores, love keeps opening every door. No mountain too high to climb, together we move in perfect time.
Raise your banner to the wind, let a brand new day begin. Every voice becomes a flame, lighting hope in every name.
The bassline shakes the earth below, like mighty rivers it will flow.
And united spirits rise, freedom shines before our eyes.
Deep, rolling analog bass drives the groove. Nyabinghi drums and Caribbean percussion, clear with a powerful rhythmic foundation. Bright trumpet and trombone, Hanoli's answer each vocal phrase. Skanking rhythm guitar locks in, with bubbling Aaron style organ. One tape echo and classic dub delights that spacious step. Sound from what we know in, built toward a triumphant finale. We are the warriors of the sunrise. Nothing can dim our inner light. Dancehall, heartbeat, reggae, soul. Music forever makes us whole. We are the warriors of the sunrise. Hope will always win the fight. One family beneath one sky. Together we'll forever rise.
The drums keep beating, the horns keep calling, the people keep singing, the light keeps shining. One rhythm, one purpose, one love, forever strong. Wheel it up from here to the world. Feel the heartbeat of the islands. Raise your hands. This one is for every soul standing strong. Oh, let the music carry us home. Hey. From the break of dawn to the evening glow, strong roots planted where good hearts grow. Through every challenge we hold our ground. Hope keeps turning the world around. The rhythm rolls like the ocean tide. Truth and love forever our guide. Every corner hears the call. Together united we'll never fall. Every step we take today brings a brighter, better way. Lift your heart and sing along. Love will always make us strong. Write it in the light, let the whole world know. Seeds of love are the ones we sow. Every heartbeat, every smile makes the journey all worthwhile. Write it in the light, let the bass line roll. Feel the rhythm lifting every soul. Stand together side by side with hope and courage as our guide. Hear the horns across the bay, calling every heart today. The Nyabinghi drums proclaim, every life can spark a flame. No matter where your footsteps roam, love can always lead you home. From the city to the countryside, one united family worldwide. When the clouds begin to fade, dreams are no longer afraid. With every voice that joins the sound, the weak become forever strong. Deep rolling bass line takes center stage. Analog, trumpet and trombone answer each phrase. Nyabinghi hand drums weave to the groove. Bubble organ and skanking guitar lock into the rhythm drum. Take echo and classic dub delays. Create a spacious silent mess feel. Write it in the light, let tomorrow Yeah, wheel it up from Kingston streets to every island breeze. Feel the vibration. The people are rising, dance with freedom. Oh, morning sunshine warms the land. Hope is growing hand in hand. Every heartbeat finds the groove. Together we were born to move. The sound system lights the night. Every smile is shining bright. Neighbors gather young and old, sharing stories, hearts of gold. Lift your voice into the sky. Let your dreams forever fly. One rhythm, one destiny, bound together, wild and free. Rise and dance, let the fire ignite. Move with joy beneath the stars tonight. Bassline deep like the Caribbean Sea. Love and freedom set the people free. Rise and dance, let your spirit shine. Every heartbeat moving in perfect time. Hands together, voices strong. One love keeps us marching on. Hey. Oh. Blood sons sing through the evening air. Every blessing everywhere. Nyabinghi drums call every soul. Music makes the broken whole. From the valleys to the shore, hope keeps knocking on every door. No matter where the journey leads, unity is all we need. Stand up proud, don't lose your way. Brighter is another day. Every voice becomes a flame, lighting hearts in every name. Echoes rolling, spirits high. Dreams are reaching to the sky. The rhythm never fades away. Love grows stronger every day. Rise and dance, let the whole world sing. Celebrate the hope tomorrow brings. Dance all heartbeats, mega soul. Music makes the people whole. Rise and dance, keep the fire alive. Together we will always strive. One family beneath one sun. Our journey has only begun. Come on, the bass keeps rolling. The horns keep calling. The drums keep speaking. And the people keep believing. One rhythm, one heartbeat, one love, forever. We done come again, from the hills to the shoreline. Raise your voice, stand your ground. The fire of the people can never be extinguished. The sunrise paints the streets with gold. A story of courage forever told. Through every trial we keep our pace. With hope and strength we win the race. The drums keep calling through the night. Every heartbeat burns so bright. No wall can stop our faithful soul. Together we are strong and old.
Lift your banner to the sky. Never fear, we'll always rise. Hands united, voices strong. This is where we all belong.
Stand firm tonight, let the fire ignite. Feel the rhythm moving every soul tonight. Bassline rolling like the mighty sea. Freedom lives in you and me. Stand firm tonight, keep this spirit alive. Love and courage help us strive. Every heartbeat, every song, together we'll keep marching on. From every village to every town, no force can keep the people down. The trumpet sounds, the echoes ring. A brighter future we will sing. Roots grow deeper every day. drums keep beating with endless might. From Jamaica to the world we sing hope and unity in everything. Stand firm tonight, let the fire ignite. Feel the rhythm moving every soul tonight. Bassline rolling like the mighty sea. Freedom lives in you and me. Stand firm tonight, keep the spirit alive. Love and courage help us thrive. Every heartbeat, every song, together we'll keep marching on. Stand firm tonight, let your light be seen. Rise together, proud and clean. Dancehall fire, reggae soul. Music keeps our spirits whole. Stand firm tonight, voices loud and clear. Turning hope into the atmosphere. One love, one family, one destiny. Forever strong, forever free. When the morning light kisses your face, every heartbeat finds its place. Like the cool breeze over the Caribbean Sea, your smile brings out the best in me. Every struggle fades away. Love grows stronger every day. Hand in hand we'll walk as one, shining brighter than the morning sun. No mountain too high, no river too wide. With faith in our hearts, we'll stand side by side. The rhythm is calling, the spirit is free. Together forever, our destiny. You're the queen of my sunrise, hope shining in your eyes. Through the storm and the rain, love will rise again. Dance with me tonight, under just pure light. One heart, one melody, forever you and me.
From the hills to the city streets, every heartbeat finds our beat. The sound of the drums keeps leading the way, filling every soul today. Love is stronger than fear. Every blessing brings us near. Together we can change the tide, with truth and love as our guide.
Raise your voices, let the horns proclaim. One people, one eternal flame.
The baseline rise, the fire light. With unity and courage, we'll always survive.
You're the queen of my sunrise, a blessing in disguise. Every dream we'll chase, with love and endless grace. Lift your hands up high, touch the endless sky. Dance all hearts unite. shore, strong like the elders who came before. Heartbeat drum with the ocean tide, Jah light forever our faithful guide. From Kingston streets to the mountain high, lift your voices, let the spirit fly. No chain can hold what the soul has found. One love echoing a powerful sound. Stand together through the wind and rain. Every setback only builds our flame. Raise your hands to the morning sky. Never surrender, we'll always rise. Fire never fade, let the heartbeat roll. Dance to the rhythm, freedom in the soul. Bassline heavy, let the speakers roll. One love stronger than ever before. Fire never fade, let the people sing. Hope is the crown that tomorrow brings. From every nation, hear the children say, love is the light that will lead the way. Brass and calling through the evening breeze. Roots run deep like the oldest trees. Every heartbeat tells another tale. Faith keeps sailing though the strongest gale. Neighbors dancing underneath the stars, healing old wounds, forgetting the stars. Every smile writes another song, united together where we belong. No fear can silence this melody. Freedom grows like the tallest tree. Hands unite from sea to sea, one family in harmony. Drums keep calling, hearts keep burning, hope keeps rising, never turning. Fire never fade, let the bassline shake.